Alright guys, I got a Hyundai veracruze. This is a 2007, 8, 9, 10, same models, similar procedure guys. Antifreeze keeps leaking. I keep topping off the antifreeze. This is my good customer. We keep putting antifreeze every month, alright? Every oil change, the bottle is empty. We could not find the leak. No matter how much we let the car run, but after 5,000 miles, 3,000 miles, it leaks, alright? So eventually we got the leak right here behind the right rear tire, right underneath. There's hoses. You see those hoses? They're done for. It's leaking right there. It just got really bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap these pipes. I'm gonna take, this is the heater pipes that's going to the rear heater core. So all I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna swap the pipes. I'm gonna make a U-turn here so the antifreeze can go right back, because that piece I cannot find. All right, this is rusted right there. That's where it's leaking from. All right, so if you guys got a Hyundai veracruze, antifreeze keeps leaking, you're gonna have to look into this, guys. All right, very simple procedure. Once I'm done, we do have to drain the antifreeze, so I'm gonna let it drain out a little bit here on its own. All right, so let's give it a good 10-15 minutes till it all drains out, and then we will put U-turn right there. All we need to do is, we don't need no pieces, no nothing. We're gonna make a U-turn right there to swap it right back. All right, so very simple guys. Let me finish out this, then I'll show you guys once it's done. Only thing is, we're not gonna have heat in the back. That's okay, customer's fine with that, and that's about it. All right guys, so I finished out the job. As you can see right there, I made a U there. So top of the antifreeze after that, you should be all good to go, and test it. You should be good. All right, there should be no issues and no problem. Right, so thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. So what I did was I made a U there, and then I made a U-turn going back, so that pipe is not just open, but that pipe part of the heater core in the rear. But anyways, that's it.